Hey everyone, in this short tutorial, I'll show you how to connect ConvertKit to Google Sites by embedding a ConvertKit form or landing page. It's fast, no code beyond a paste, and updates automatically when you use the JavaScript embed. Start in ConvertKit. Log in, go to Forms, create a new form or landing page, then customize and publish it. Make sure the form looks and works the way you want before you grab the code. After you publish, open the sharing options, pick the JavaScript or HTML embed option, and copy the snippet ConvertKit provides. The JavaScript option is recommended because it keeps the form synced. Switch to your Google site. Open the page where you want the form, then insert a new content block. Choose Embed, then select Embed Code and paste the ConvertKit snippet. If you only have a URL, use the Embed by URL option instead. Position and resize the embedded block so it fits your layout, then click Publish on Google Sites to make the form live. Test the form on the published site to confirm it submits correctly. Pro tip: use ConvertKit's JavaScript embed so future edits in ConvertKit sync automatically on your site. That way, any copy or field changes update without repasting code. That's it. Quick, reliable, and repeatable. Thanks for watching. If this helped, save the video for your next site update. See you next time.